So this is a lab that has been in existence for over 50 years in two different forms. It was once called the International Research and Development Corporation, and it went bankrupt in 1995. And our owner is the great-grandson of the founder of the Upjohn Company, William Upjohn Parfait. So this is about 1 million square feet, as you can see from some of the statistics that I put up here as a summary slide. We're the third largest preclinical CRO in the world and the largest single-site CRO. Our competitors don't always agree with that, but it's true. We're about halfway between Chicago and Detroit on Interstate I-94. And we have almost 1,300 employees at this point. And we do all of the preclinical safety testing that allows you to put your small molecule, large molecule, medical device, vaccine into the clinic and file with the FDA. We are very soon going to take on 2 new entities. I don't have any information on it today because it's not official, but we are going to get into the clinical space. And the next slide that I'll show you, how do I go backwards? There we go. This is a new initiative that we are about to dedicate at the end of next week. It's called the Translational Imaging Center, and this is going to allow us to get into a very unique position in our industry where we are going to be able to do non-invasive, non-terminal molecular imaging in several different modalities, including PET, SPECT, not MRI at this point, but several other modalities that are going to go right into translational imaging in the clinic. This is a 3-company partnership. I didn't have this information last year. We were just getting into this partnership. But this is our 2nd year in the program, and so I wanted to highlight this. So we have 2 other companies. One is 3D Molecular Imaging in Little Rock, Arkansas. I've never heard of them before this deal was put together. And we have been doing work with In Vitro in the Boston area for some time. They maintain our images, which take up a tremendous amount of storage space, as you can imagine. And they also do our interpretation, our statistics on these different images that we use. So this is just details some of the things that we do. You can see SPECT, PET. We are going to be adding MRI, CT, optical. DEXA is a technique that we use for bone density and so forth. And all of these are going to be aided by the next picture that I'm going to show you. Which is, this is a floor plan of a new building that will go online. As I said, May 2nd is the dedication for this. We're going to have our own cyclotron on site, so we can make any molecular imaging isotope that you can make. I joke that this is a containment building, so we don't shoot electrons across the interstate at the Freightliner truck depot. So that would just annoy them. But we are going to be self-contained, so that any molecular imaging project that you can present to us, we are going to be able to do. The folks at 3D Molecular Imaging will run this facility because that's what they do. They maintain and run cyclotrons. They'll do all of the radiochemistry, and they're really wizards at what they do. And then this is the last slide, and this is just rotating 3-dimensional images of PET and CT with a F18 isotope bone scan. What this is showing is rheumatoid arthritis. So in the 2 places to the left, you're seeing the actual places where the compound is lighting up at the site of arthritis. So we can actually show that proof of concept is happening. And then in the other depiction, we have 3-dimensional projected images of bone changes, so that we can look at the kinds of things that happen in deterioration in malformed bones in this disease. We think this is going to be an exciting addition, particularly to people here in the Puget Sound and the rest of Washington State, to be able to show proof of concept and attract funding. So you don't even need a science degree to see the wow factor here. I think this is going to be a really important image addition for us. And I will say in the 2nd year that I had to do a little convincing of our chief frustration officer that we should be in this purchasing partner program. But I just shared this fact with Dennis Croft earlier. But we've already achieved sales at this point in the year, 1/3 of the way a year, that are eclipsing all of what we did last year under this program. So I'm looking for a big year, and I appreciate all of your attendance here and your time, and come see us at the back of the room. You can't miss us, we're the orange table back there. Thank you.